Okay. Fine. So yeah, yesterday we have covered this bundle concept, right? So the so we have discussed means I mean three types of bundle: static, configurable, nested. Static bundle means if you won't change the configuration, no changes allowed means static bundle. Configurable bundle means we can change the bundle configuration. Okay, and nested bundle means bundle within a bundle is nested bundle. And if you want to have any hands-on practice, then you can sign on from here. Okay, this
Oh,
link provide you the CPQ work.
okay. Okay.
Okay, so you can sign in from here and you can do the hands-on practice. So whatever is listed here means this Q000 0000. So this you can see it in this org. They have provided all the products, all the codes, everything whatever they have mentioned in this trailered org for hands-on practice. Okay, so if any new thing will be there, you can create new products or you can configure as per your requirement. But whatever has been provided by Trailhead, all those can be found out here in this org. So you can sign up here, and the validity will be 90 days. So after 90 days, this will be expired. Again, you need to create one more org.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So you can do all the hands-on challenges from here. So this first module you have completed. Let me go to the second one. Yeah, so this is the configuration type and configuration event. These are the two fields present on the product level. Okay, so on the product level, you can find these two fields which will decide whether a bundle, how the bundle will be configured and when it will be configured. Okay, so we have like allowed, disabled, okay, required, these three as configuration type values, and always edit, na, add these as configuration event values. Okay, so when we are keeping add, so first time we are getting the configuration page after the product selection page for the bundle. And if we are keeping edit, then first time we are not getting, but only the second time we are getting. Okay, so this is the edit one. So first time it won't give you the configuration product, rather it you will directly means your product will be bundle will be directly added to the code. Once you will click on select, then you can see the range symbol and you can do the reconfiguration. That is because of edit. Okay, and this symbol is add and this symbol is edit. So that means always. Okay, if you'll keep it as always, so you can add, even you can edit. Okay, both the ways. This is disabled, so neither you can add nor edit. Directly you will select the bundle, it will be added in the code. So no configuration product page will be visible in between. Okay, and this is the add. No edit means this is only one way configuration. So add. Okay, so add means configuration, edit means reconfiguration. Yesterday I have given. Okay, so this is the configuration type and event. Fine. Okay, so let me give you the idea about this multiple bundles concept. So what does this mean? So when we will be adding the bundle from the product selection page, and next we are getting the configuration product page. Let's say you are adding two bundles at a time. Okay, so one bundle is coffee machine, another bundle is 15-inch laptop. So two bundles you are selecting altogether and you are adding it in one time. Okay, so in the configuration product page, you will get two bundles. One is coffee machine, one is 15-inch laptop. Okay, so these two products bundle, whatever you can see it here, those will be displayed based on one setting. Okay, that is called multiple bundle view package label setting. This is the setting, multiple bundles view package. Okay, so if you want to see this bundle setting, so let me just go here. Yeah, so this is the setting. You have to click on additional sorry, if you have to click in the setup, then install package, then configure, then in the additional settings you can see this field, multiple bundle views. Here we have two values. One is widget, one is classic. Okay, so based on this value, that configuration product page will display your bundle. Okay, so if you will keep it as, let's say, wizard, okay, then how it will be visible? So let me just add one product and show it to you. Okay, so suppose let me choose this quote line on products. Now our setting is wizard. Okay, now let me add two values. One is desktop computer, let's say, and another one is telecommuter. This one. Then select. Okay. Now desktop computer is visible there. Where is telecommuter? Now I can see telecommuter here in this page. So to check that configuration, I have to click on this arrow symbol. Here I can see two bundles. One is desktop computer. So once I will do all the settings for this desktop computer, then I will select another bundle, telecommuter workstation. Then I can choose my requirements. As per my requirements, I can choose the options and save. Okay, this is the widget setting. So if you'll click on, means if you'll keep the setting as widget, you can see the view like this. So in one page, one bundle will be visible. Okay, so if I will change it to classic and save, let me refresh this page. Now add products. Okay, now same desktop computer and telecommuter, select. Okay, now desktop computer is there. Where is telecommuter? I will come down. Yeah, in the same page I can see both this bundle, telecommuter workstation. Okay, so if you'll scroll it, I mean click on this arrow symbol, you can see both this bundle, but it will be displayed in one page. So it is classic view. Okay, so based on your requirements, you can change the setting.
Okay.
Okay, so this is
But
the,
but
yeah,
before that we have to add configuration type,
yes,
and
config
otherwise it will
without,
directly add in code.
yeah, correct. So without configuration type or event, you can't see that configuration product page, this page. It won't, means allow you to see this page. It will be directly added to the code once you will select the bundle. Okay, so that is one step for bundle. Second step is how you want to look, means how you want to see
Yes.
this bundle. Okay, so this is controlled by the setting, backend setting. Okay, then next one, yeah, this is another setting, visualize product hierarchy. So what does this mean? Suppose I'm adding this bundle in the quote. Once I have added it, I can see, means I can easily distinguish which one is bundle and which one is option, right? And which options are related to which bundle. I can easily distinguish. How? You can see this arrow symbol. This means this is the bundle, and these are the options below this bundle. Similarly, for desktop bundle, this is the arrow mark. That means this is the bundle, and these options denotes this belongs to this desktop computer bundle. Similarly, for telecommuter workstation bundle, these are the options, right? So how this came, how this look and feel, you can see this is because of the setting. And where you can see the setting, so you can see the setting in line editor, because these are all line editor, right? Quote lines,
Yes.
right? So let me go to quote line editor. Yeah, so visualize product hierarchy, this is a checkbox. So if you'll check this box, then you can see the view like this. Okay, so it will easily distinguish the parent product and the child product. Okay, This is what it is mentioned here. So you can go for this question and answer, okay, and complete this module. So let me go to the next one. These all things actually I have covered yesterday, so it means we can means go quickly. Okay, we can complete this quickly. So options, I have given you the concept, means what is option, and option is mandatory for always, means for creating a bundle, right? To
Yes.
create a bundle, option is always mandatory thing, but feature is not a mandatory thing. This is a selective thing, feature. So based on the
Okay.
requirement you can create a feature, otherwise no.
Okay.
Okay, so that's why you can see, see this is ledger printer, this is a bundle, and inside bundle they have denoted these options. Okay, option one is this one, option two is this one, option three. So our telecommuter, let me show you here. Yeah, so telecommuter workstation, these are the options. Just like desktop computer, these are the options. Okay, so now let me go to some fields on this option, product option. So product option starts from PO. Okay, PO means product options. Okay, there is a field called number. So yesterday I was telling, this is the product option page, right? So configured SKU and optional SKU, I have explained the difference. Configured SKU means the bundle name or the parent product or lead product, and optional SKU means the child products or the product options. Okay, so whenever you have to open a product option, how you will open, you have to first select the bundle on the product. After selecting that bundle, then you can see the product option in the related list. There you have to click on the related list, click on new, then this page will come. And once this page will come, you can see directly this configured SKU is populated because you have already selected the bundle name, that's why it is populated. Now
Yes.
you have to select which option you need to keep inside this bundle, so that will come under optional SKU. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. So one field is number. So number means it will display the order, display order. Okay, number 10, 20, 30, or 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever order you will place, same order it will display. This is the display order number, how it will be sorted out. Okay, now selected. Selected is this one. So yesterday I have told you how you will distinguish between selected and required. So let me tell you. You remember how we will distinguish?
If it is gray, then it is required.
Yes, grayed out, checked, that is
Hmm.
required. Blue color, checked means selected. So selected means you can unselect it. Required means you can't. Okay. So these are earlier these were required. So grayed out and checked. Today I have made some modifications, so that's why it is coming as radio button. I will tell how it come. Okay. So that is the difference, selected and required. Okay, selected and required. And any more option? Yeah, this is the difference you can see. This blue color checked means selected, grayed out checked means required. Okay, so you can, yeah, so quantity field, so you can keep the quantity, how many quantity you want to means add for this particular product option. So based on that you can keep the quantity. So means if you will get the requirement from the client, and client will say okay, you have to put 5 quantities of this high capacity toner cartridge, so we will keep the quantity as 5. And if in that Excel sheet, usually we will get that in Excel sheet format. So in that Excel sheet, if they will mention quantity editable checked, so we have to check it, because once we will check, we can edit it in the code line. Okay, quantity editable. So minimum quantity, they will say okay, you keep minimum quantity as 2. Below 2 you can't sell, means sales rep can't sell. Okay, it won't allow sales rep to keep it as 1. So minimum quantity, maximum quantity is 5. So beyond 5 you can't sell. That means 6, 7, 8 it won't allow. Okay, and this is feature, I will tell you today only what is feature and all. So we have to relate, means if requirement is there, then we have to relate our product option with one feature. So suppose yesterday I have given one example. So mouse, there are different kind of mouse, like uh, wired mouse,
Wireless.
wireless mouse, yes, optical mouse, gaming mouse, Bluetooth mouse. So we will keep a feature called, yeah, we will keep a feature called mouse, and inside mouse we will keep all the options: optical mouse, wired mouse, wireless mouse, Bluetooth mouse. Yeah. So this is how we can select the feature from there, and how we will create the feature I will show you today. And most important thing is this field type. Okay, so what is type? And this one is also important, quite sorry, quote line visibility. Okay, so let me just tell you and show you. Okay, okay, this is covered in the next module. Let me go to the next module, and you can do the hands-on challenges here. Okay, so yes, so this is the type, option type. Okay, how many values are there? Three values: component, accessories, and related product. Okay, so how it will behaves if you'll keep the option type as component, how it behaves if you'll keep the option type as accessory, how it behaves if you'll keep the option type as related product, we will see. So suppose what you have done, there are two things. One is on option label. Okay, on option label you are defining the quantity. So you have seen in the previous module, so on the there is a quantity field, you are defining the quantity of the option. So suppose you have made the option quantity as 2. Okay, now with option quantity 2 you have added that bundle and the option in the quote. Now in the quote line you are changing the bundle quantity. Okay, previously it was 1, now you are making it as 2. And in the option label you have kept the option type as component. Then what it will do, it will simply multiply the option quantity with the bundle quantity, and it will show the new value there. Okay, so this is how the component will work. Accessories, yeah, and for component, okay, so it will make it as 6, but you can change the quantity even in the code line. Okay, I will show you how. For accessories what it will do, again option quantity and bundle quantity, it will show the option quantity, not the bundle quantity. So even though you are making the bundle quantity as 3 and option quantity as 2, it will show the option quantity, and even it won't multiply. Okay, it will show the option quantity, and it is not, means it won't allow you to change the quantity. Okay, so it won't allow you to edit or change. Okay, any type of edit is not allowed here with accessories and component. Related product, again similar to accessories, but it will allow you to change the quantity. Okay, so 2 is the quantity of option, 3 is the quantity of bundle, it will show the 2, but even you can change the quantity of this option. Okay, so how it will behave, you understood anything from here, at least something?
Yes.
Okay, so now let me just select the code. Okay, I would have cancelled there. No issue. Edit lines. Okay, before that let me open the product in one tab. Just a moment. Yeah, hello. So me select the product. Yeah, this is the bundle. Now let me select the option and change the type. Okay, so for everything here it is component. Now let me do the changes. This is component, let it be component. Okay, and make it edit. It's up no use if we'll keep it as component. So just save component. This one we will keep it as accessories. Save. This one we will keep it as related product. This one we'll keep it as accessories. And product. Accessories. Okay, so these many changes we have made for these options. Now let's add this option in the code. So let me refresh this page. Okay, now add product. One moment, cancel. Let me delete the existing one, otherwise it will confuse you. So yeah, add product. Now we'll select telecommuter. Okay. Now, okay, I have made the feature. It's max quantity. Okay, fine. We'll select everything. Let's do. Okay, save. Okay. Continue. Now, let us check. Keyboard US layout. Keyboard US layout. Okay. Now, what is the bundle quantity? It is 1. Now let's put the quantity as 2 and see the changes here. Okay, now this one becomes 10 because we have kept it as components. So bundle quantity into option quantity 5. 5 into 2, 10. Anything else component? Okay, this one headphone 1. So it became 2. Headphone 2. Okay, so you can see. Now this one accessory USB microphone. Let's see. USB microphone. Okay, so microphone quantity is option quantity. Even though we are changing the bundle quantity to 2, it is showing us 1 and it won't allow you to change because you kept it as accessory. And it accessory means it will show the option quantity. Now any related product, stereo speaker. Stereo speaker, yes. So 2 and option quantity is 1. Even though we are changing the bundle quantity to 2, it is showing the option quantity, but it is allowing you to change the quantity. Okay, so this is how component, accessories and related product for option type, this is how it works. Okay, so any doubt from this example?
Yes.
Yeah, tell me.
So when type determines whether the quantity is editable or not, then why do you have that
Quantity
quantity editable
editable
check?
checkbox, correct. That is a good question. So quantity editable is this is one field. Okay, this actually depends, means if you will, let's say you are putting the type as component, so you won't change the quantity editable. Let me just give it accessories and keep it quantity editable. Suppose the quantity is 2, save. This one also I will denote. Fine. Save. Okay, and one more thing I need to change here. Feature. You forget about this thing. I have made the changes here. Okay. Now let me go back to code and refresh this page. Okay. Now delete. Not product. Delete commuter. Okay. So now let me add with the quantity where we have changed it. This one stereo speaker, USB microphone. Let's change and see what is happening. Okay.
पूरा दिखा है।
Sorry, Ramesh, you are saying something. Okay. Now, where is that stereo USB microphone? Select everything. Okay. So let's see. This is required. Because of required, this is checkbox and grade. Okay. Now this one is checked. Okay. Before unchecked, it is logged. After selecting, it is asking us to means change the quantity. Now for everything, it is asking us to change the quantity. Okay. So we made the quantity editable for everything? No, right? So that means quantity editable doesn't work here, right?
Okay. So
Yeah.
even
Let me
if it is component, we will be able to edit in this configure products page.
in the configuration product page.
Okay.
Okay, in the configuration. Okay, this is mouse quantity. Okay, mouse quantity I have put it as maximum one will be allowed. That is why. Yeah, in the configuration product page. Now save. Okay, this one we have kept it as component. So component is taking priority and it is not allowing us to change the quantity. Okay, even for accessories also you can change. We have made the quantity editable, but it is not allowing. Okay, only for related product. Okay, only for related product it will allow. For other it won't. But if we'll see in cancel, or I want to go back. Okay, if I want to go back, oh, reconfigure is not there. Okay, fine. So you can change it in the, where is the product? Here. You can change the quantity.
Okay.
Okay. So, but always precedence is towards this type, option type in the code level. So if component, it won't allow. Accessories it won't allow, but related product it allow. Okay, it allow you to change the quantity. Okay, now quote line visibility. So if quote line visibility is there, so it is a pick list field. Okay, so by default it will be blank value, but if you want you can change the value here. So quote line visibility is something like where exactly you want to see the options. Okay, so it's like if you will keep it as document only, that means it will show in the document, PDF document, I mean the quote. Okay, editor only, editor means line editor, means quote line. After adding in into the quote line editor is there, so in the editor. Okay, so it will only show in the editor but hides the hides the item in the output document, that means in the PDF. Okay, never means it will both hide from quote line editor and output document. Always means it will allow in both quote line editor and output document. You understood what exactly it means? So here I am adding, where is that code? Yeah, suppose this is my code with these options. Okay, so now quote line visibility is another field I have shown in the previous module, right? This one. Yeah, so quote line visibility, this is on the product option. So if you'll select quote line visibility as editor only, okay, so that means it will show all the quote lines here in the quote line editor. If you'll see in the document only, so it will show in the document. Okay, document means after saving I want to create the means quotation document. So like this, suppose this is one quotation, I want to generate the document or preview the document. It will take some time. Okay, once the PDF will be generated, there we can see the all the line, means line editor or the quote lines you can say. Okay, and meantime let me cover others. Never means neither on the quote line editor, not on the output document. Okay, and always means show the item both in the quote line editor and output document. So this is one certification question. So there was a question actually where you can means what is the setting administrator should do if they want to show the item only in the quote line editor. So you have to select editor only. Okay, so yeah, this is the PDF. So here all the
Uh,
item will be displayed.
hello, hello, Asit.
Yeah, Ramesh.
If if that question was multi-selected and we have option as if we have all the four options,
Mm-hmm.
then we can select both, editor and always.
If only, see if it will ask you with means where we can see means what Salesforce administrator can do to hides the item from the output document and it will only show in the editor.
That will only for editor only.
Editor, yeah. So you have to check the wording, editor only. So only for editor it will say. So if we can see editor, not only option is there, then editor and output document. So like that, you have to means check that question. Sometimes means you will get those kind of questions in certifications, right? So with keywords only you have to select the answers, right? So yeah. So, hmm. So one more we will cover today, that is feature. Yeah, so feature I told, right? So how means it is something a specification for any product and it is not compulsory or mandatory to use during our bundle configuration. So feature means, so mouse, as I given an example. So for mouse, you have created a mouse feature. Inside that, you have kept all the related mouse products, means optical mouse, gaming mouse, wired mouse, wireless mouse, like that. All the products, all the mouse products. So that is a specification only. Okay. So yeah. So this is one sorry, feature, trace feature. Inside this trace feature, you have kept this option. Okay, these two options. So I will show you one live example. So there you will understand. So telecommuter workstation. Okay, we have four features here: system peripheral, headphone speakers, cameras, microphones. Okay, let me check if it will show now. Okay, so system peripheral is one of the feature. Now there is one another means question for this max option. Okay, so in configuration product page, your options are visible in the checkbox format. If you want to make it in the radio button format, what you need to do? So you have to make the max option for feature as 1. Okay, so that only one option can be selected from that feature. Okay, that's why we are keeping the max option in under this feature, not under the option. Okay, so feature contains all the options, so you have to select only one option. That means you have to make it radio button. How you will make it radio button? So inside feature there is a field called max option. If you'll keep it as 1, then you can make this particular configuration as radio button, not as select means checkbox.
Okay.
Okay, so that is one question you will definitely get. So our product, tele station, and select. So you can see earlier it was checkbox. Now it is allowing only one box. Sorry, one. Only one to select. Okay, it
Yes.
becomes radio box. Okay, so this is how we can put. So maximum option C. It become radio box. Okay. So option selection method is one of the field which I will just give means the overview, but we will see this in detail when we will be studying the dynamic filter. Means that is one yeah, one of the concept. So we will mostly cover this thing there. Okay, but option selection method I will tell you tomorrow. Okay, anyway, so till this any doubt? I think so you can do the hands-on so that you will get to know okay how you can do. Even Niku has completed, he said. So if Ramesh you won't, means you can do it, then you can try for now.
Yes. Yes. Right.